It's a new 2021 Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is a dream within reach. The sporty styling and performance, however, mean you'll leave a lot of people in the dust. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, voice-activated climate controls, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and LED low-beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.